In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the URL of your Google Calendar. This can be particularly handy when wanting to share your calendar with others, or if you need to integrate it into various applications. Let's get started, step by step, and make the process as simple as possible. First, what you'll need to do is open Google Calendar on your desktop. This is usually accessible from any web browser, so pick your favorite, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another. Once you've navigated there, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a panel, and on that panel there's a section titled My Calendars. This is where all the calendars associated with your account are listed. Now, what you'll want to do is hover over the specific calendar you intend to use. Once you've hovered over it, you'll see an option that looks like 3 vertical dots. This is often referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll need to select Settings and Sharing. This will direct you to a new page where you can adjust a variety of preferences relevant to your calendar. The next step involves scrolling down a bit. Keep going until you reach the section named Integrate Calendar. This section is the key to finding the various URLs associated with your calendar. Once you're there, you'll have a couple of options. If you scroll a little more, you will see the public URL to this calendar. This is the link you can share with anyone, allowing them to view the details you've chosen to make public. It's a straightforward way to ensure broader access. Alternatively, if privacy is your concern and you prefer to have limited, secure use, there's another option available to you. Look for the secret address in iCal format. This address will not be visible to everyone, but can be utilized to integrate your calendar into different apps that support iCal links. It's great for personal use while keeping your information private. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully found the URL for your Google Calendar, whether you're sharing it broadly or using it individually. Remember, each URL serves a specific purpose, so choose the one that best fits your current needs. With just a few clicks and a little bit of scrolling, you've got everything you need to manage your calendar seamlessly across different platforms. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.